Traders who operate fake electronic tax registers and pocketing the VAT that they should collect should also be brought to heel. High net worth individuals whose lifestyles are not reflective of the taxes that they pay, if any, must be compelled to demonstrate their sources of wealth and to contribute their share of taxes accordingly. Towards this end, the use of technology as an enabler is an immediate necessity, and KRA must incorporate cutting-edge technology in every aspect of its operations. From customer care operations, detection of evasion, to payment of taxes, maximum advantage should be taken of Kenya's increasingly ICT literacy rate. Every effort must be made to reduce the need for manual human interventions in what should be fully automated processes. Use of big data to predict revenue trends and to detect leakages should be the norm. And this sort of data should be used to equip policymakers with the right information to improve the quality of government policies across the board. I therefore expect that KRA will leverage the benefits of the soon-to-be rolled-out National Integrated Identity Management System as another tool in their arsenal. Similarly, KRA, as the most established and experienced tax collection entity in the country, should forge a closer working relationship with county governments to improve the revenue collection of devolved entities.